Today on Crystal's Kitchen, we are making hummus. Hi, welcome to Crystal's Kitchen. I'm Crystal and this is my husband, Graham.
Hey everyone! Hummus is smooth, creamy, packed full of chickpeas, tahini, and garlic. And we absolutely love this dip.
It is an amazing dip, and so we have it around all the time. And so hey, if you're visiting for the first time, welcome to my channel. And if you're returning, thanks for dropping in again, right?
Absolutely.
And so all these amazing ingredients, they're listed down below in the description. So, should we get started?
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
The main ingredient in hummus is chickpeas. And chickpeas are really good for you. They're packed full of fiber and protein and lots of vitamins, and they're just a wonderful, healthy snack.
They are. Chickpeas are awesome. And hey, why don't you check out my other dip episodes I've got an assortment of dips I know you're gonna love. But hey, let's get all these ingredients together and make our hummus.
Wonderful. First, you're gonna need a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender as well. To start, we're going to mix together our tahini and lemon juice. So we have a 1/4 cup of tahini. And a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, which is about 1 lemon. Now put the lid on and blend. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now we're going to add 1 to 2 cloves of minced garlic, or if you have roasted garlic, that's okay too. Now we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now blend. Now we're going to add 1 can of chickpeas. And we're also going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, depending on the consistency that you want for your hummus. And blend.
Alright, so we've got a little bit of olive oil that we're just going to place around. Then a little bit of paprika. And a little bit of parsley for a garnish.
And we're all done!
We've made our
Hummus!
Woo, look at that!
Love it, love it.
It looks amazing, and it was so easy to make, right?
Real simple, yep.
And so we've got a nice little spread here of things that you can eat the hummus with. And so we've got like pita, naan bread,
yeah.
some carrots,
here.
Some tomatoes, tomatoes, and we've got some celery, and oh, didn't forget, red bell pepper. So good for you. So let's try it out.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay, I'm gonna go for the naan bread.
So am I.
That was so good. It's so fresh Like I can taste the chickpeas in there, the garlic. We like garlic, so we put quite a bit in because we like it, and so it's so flavorful.
Yeah, it sure is. I love the consistency of this one.
Smooth.
It's nice and smooth and delicious, and a little bit of paprika on top. Perfect.
Try it out. Let us know in the comments down below how your hummus came out. And thanks again for dropping in my kitchen, Crystal's kitchen, as we made our hummus. Yeah. And so check out my channel. I've got other amazing recipes on there I know you're gonna love. So check it out, and I'll see you again in my next episode, right?
Yeah, we will.
All right, let's go eat it.
We will.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Oh!
You did it!